This couple sold their house for cut-rate plastic surgery in Turkey, and now they're horrified with the results. The Edgars, 36 and 39, sold their home in Manchester, England to go bargain shopping for plastic surgery in Turkey, and now they consider a cautionary tale. They're telling their story to warn other people about getting plastic surgery in Turkey. The couple sold their house and flew to Turkey to get their plastic surgery. Zara underwent what's called a mommy makeover. She had a Brazilian butt lift, a tummy tuck, and breast augmentation, as well as dental surgery. And her husband underwent dental surgery. After the surgery, the couple was left very unhappy for several different reasons. The first reason that everybody warned about is that they went for so-called Instagram clinic, where they didn't know much about the clinic. They just saw photos on Instagram and went there for work because of the bargain pricing. Now, I warn everybody, if you're seeing photos just on Instagram, you don't know anything about the surgeon or the facility, to be careful. And secondly, one of the things they do in Turkey is usually show photos only on the table and not long-term follow-up, because the results will change with healing and scarring. As like with this couple, they went in on Instagram photos alone and then ended up unhappy with the results. Her tummy tuck left her with unsightly scars, bulging in the abdomen, and she was very unsatisfied with her Brazilian butt lift. Now, in this case, again, I don't think it's wise also to fly somewhere and do big surgeries like this. It is risky. And they didn't get the extensive follow-up care that's sometimes necessary with large procedures like this. So again, most plastic surgery is supposed to make you feel better about themselves. Zara went in wanting to feel better in a bikini, and her husband wanted to feel more confidence, and neither one of them got what they wanted. She is now more insecure with her body, and particularly about wearing a bikini, and he is very worried about his unsteady teeth, the exact opposite you want from any surgery. It has now been 3 months since Zara's surgery, and she says she's still in pain from the surgery, which again is unusual. She said she contacted the clinic where she had the procedure performed, and they said they have a 20-year guarantee on the procedure. Now, offering a guarantee like that is pretty unusual, and usually 2 reasons. Number one, the couple probably doesn't want to have to pay all the money to go back and have their surgeries redone. And number 2, they generally don't trust that surgeon that did the surgery because they didn't get it right the first time. Like most couples in this situation that have undergone a bad experience, the mortified couple says it's very, very unlikely they're ever returning to Turkey to have their botched surgeries fixed. I want to mention that the Edgars aren't alone in this story. There's mention of 2 other women that went to Turkey for cheap plastic surgery and ended up with horrific injuries or botched results. And they said the same thing. They don't intend to ever go back to Turkey to have their plastic surgery fixed because they're horrified with the results. So like I say, always do your homework before ever considering going abroad for plastic surgery. And again, never bargain shop for parachutes or plastic surgery.